One of the objectives of the Joystick Club, based at White Waltham, is to encourage young people to take an interest in aviation. To support that aim, we converted a life-expired Piper Tomahawk into a functional flight simulator using X-Plane. Over the last several years it's been in demand by many schools and for a wide range of events. We are currently improving it by adding servo-powered instruments, kindly donated by a commercial flight training company. In this video we see Peter Dobson, who designed and built the servo driver interface, demonstrating the system to members of the Gatwick Flight Simulator Group at the March 2018 meeting.
The rudder controls are bang bang, there's no proportionality to them at all. Right, there we are, climbing at 80 knots. So if we start a turn to the left now, I'll do a rate 1 turn, that should be about right. It's not quite balanced, but because I've got a bang bang rudder, I can't trim the rudder. So that's not bad for a rate 1 turn. Still climbing. I'll stop at 1,000 feet. So I'll turn downwind, a bit high. David, all of these instruments are calibratable, so if you don't like the calibration I've supplied, i.e. you think the turn slip's too sensitive, I can change it. So that's right, going back to the coast, so I'm just coming up to the downwind, so we're now running parallel to the runway. The runway's over there. I'm getting a bit high, aren't I? Actually, the graphics are damn sight better than mine. I'm jealous. That's really nice. This is Shoreham. Now the other thing I've done, David, you see this panel's illuminated, so the lights are on inside. But this here is a decision height indicator, and I've connected that up as well. So it's actually connected up incorrectly because there's a bug with the software. But when you pass 500 feet, you get a decision height come on. Tell you that now's the time to decide. So go out to sea a little bit. There you are, decision height, John, David. Where it is. Captured that. Speed's not bad. Bit high. Speed still high. I need rudder, I've got no rudder. Ah!
Kind of everything.
Difficult flying without rudder.
It's good X-plane, isn't it?
It is good, yeah.
Just installed X-plane.
Oh.
I've got the flight factor one, yeah. It's not quite as good as the IC Players one, but...
Blimey, I survived.